Hey there, fellow gardeners! Happy Homesteader here. I'm so excited it's almost garden time. Are you looking for easy-to-grow vegetables that require little work but still give you a big harvest? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm sharing the top 10 hard-to-kill vegetables that even beginner gardeners can grow with minimal effort. And guess what? These veggies are drought-tolerant, pest-resistant, and super productive. So, if you want a thriving garden with less work, stick around. Oh, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more homesteading tips. Now let's get into it. First on the list, potatoes. These bad boys grow almost anywhere, even in poor soil. Just plant them in the ground or in a container, cover them with soil as they grow, and boom! In a few months, you'll have a bucket load of homegrown spuds with barely any effort. Pro tip: use straw or mulch to make harvesting even easier. Want a crop that takes care of itself? Garlic is your best friend. You plant it in the fall, let it do its thing over the winter, and by summer, you've got delicious homegrown garlic. Bonus: it's pest resistant and makes a great companion plant to keep bugs away. Onions are so easy to grow. Just plant them, water occasionally, and forget about them until harvest time. They tolerate drought and poor soil, and you can grow them in containers too. Pro tip: plant green onions, scallions, for an even faster growing cut-and-come-again crop. If you want a cut-and-come-again green that thrives in heat and cold, Swiss chard is unbeatable. It keeps producing for months, doesn't bolt like lettuce, and is packed with nutrients. Pro tip: harvest outer leaves and let the plant keep growing for a continuous supply. Kale is a powerhouse. It grows in hot, cold, wet, or dry conditions and can survive frost and heat waves like a champ. Once it's established, it requires almost no care. Bonus: the more you harvest, the more it grows. Want a veggie that just won't quit? Zucchini is famous for insanely high yields with very little effort. One plant can feed your entire family, and probably your neighbors too. Watch out, don't plant too many unless you're ready for a zucchini explosion. If you're impatient, like me, radishes are perfect. They go from seed to harvest in just 3 to 4 weeks. Plus, they're drought tolerant and pest resistant. Just plant and forget. Bonus: try growing daikon radishes for a deep soil aerator and massive harvests. Bush beans are super low maintenance, don't need staking, and grow like crazy. Just plant them, water occasionally, and watch them produce for weeks. Pro tip: pick them every few days to keep the plant producing even more beans. If you live in a hot, dry climate, sweet potatoes are a must-grow. Once planted, they thrive on neglect and give you delicious, nutrient-packed tubers in the fall. Bonus: their vines act as a living mulch, shading the soil and preventing weeds. Want a crop that comes back every year with zero effort? Rhubarb is the answer. It's cold-hardy, doesn't need replanting, and produces for decades. Warning: only eat the stalks. The leaves are toxic. And that's it. 10 hard-to-kill, low-maintenance veggies you can plant this spring. Which one are you excited to grow? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening, homesteading, and self-sufficiency tips. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and share it with a friend who needs an easy garden this year. Happy planting, and I'll see you in the next video.